extra bounce, an extra pace.
In the air for a little while, a good placement. Run's beginning to flow now. Just still watching, don't you, that this is such a key moment in the game. Archer with the second new ball. Bowling coach observing. Great relationship he has with Jofra Archer. You might not have seen him on your screen. You may have done just 5 minutes ago. He was round there talking to Jofra Archer, perhaps imparting a bit of advice. They go back a long, long way. 2014. And John Lewis became the Sussex bowling coach. Jofra Archer arrived in 2015. He was his landlord when he first got there. They have a lot of trust and a lot of understanding. And he's imparted a bit of advice. Will it work?
When you look at the field, you've got a hard view of the ball. You just see one slip in